Remember last week when I told you there was going to be a big surprise? Well, it's time. We built a bar.
Sir Ricky Bobby wasn't bullshitting when he said we've been busy the past couple of months.
Well, son of a Rick, everybody knows I never bullshit.
That's true.
If only there was a way we could show the people just how much work this was.
Being on film, buddy.
No, you don't.
Cheers!
Crushed it.
Crikey.
Pretty.
That was easy. Pretty good. Alright, so you want to turn or you want to go this way? What do you think, Dudley?
If ever there was a more fitting time to do a victory shot, would you like to do the honors?
Don't mind if I do. You know, there are many directions this project could have gone. Personally, I thought it would go south. There were even times I thought it might go out a window. But then, it went a completely different path. A road less traveled, especially with amateurs behind the wheel. In that direction, that led us to Victory Lane. Well, what would you know? This sweet new bar just opened up in the neighborhood. So here's us.
Couldn't have done it without you.
Yeah, I could have.
Victory. Since this is our last episode on rye whiskeys and our first in our new set, I decided to make this one a good one. Today, we're going to mix the Sazerac. Add a sugar cube to your mixer. 3 shakes of Peychaud bitters. 2 bar spoons of chilled water. And 1 ounce of cognac. But first, we have to have ourselves a shot. Delicious. One ounce of rye whiskey. But first, we have to have ourselves a shot. Love my job. And a chilled brandy snifter, and add a touch of absinthe. Swirl it around in the glass, then flush it away. And that's the Sazerac. Today's word of wisdom is content. To be content is to be okay with something. The thing may not be perfect and it may not be great, but that's okay because you're content. I know every mistake, flaw, and imperfection with this bar because I made it with my own two hands. If I wanted a perfect bar, I could have gone out and got one. Would it have been immaculate? Probably so. Would I have been content? Hell no. Oftentimes, contentment stems from another word, pride. When you do something yourself, it means more. Remember, the end result may not be perfect, but the gratification is. I am more than content to serve you many more cocktails and videos on Empires and Cocktails, right from this imperfect piece of shit, because it's my imperfect piece of shit.